Best AI agent community to accelerate your learning. With regards to artificial intelligence and try to stay ahead of the curve, everyone's worrying and seeing and getting FOMO to try and make certain that they're keeping up with the latest LLM updates. There's no one better to be joined than with Julian Goldie, who is he's all over. He's Mr. Omnipresent. He's Mr. Everywhere. So Julian, can you just talk a little bit about the school community group that you have, how many people you've got in there, and how, if someone is looking to advance their artificial intelligence learning, why you genuinely believe this is the best group for them to join?
Yeah, 100%. So the AI Profit Boardroom, which is our school community for learning AI automation, it has 3,100 members in there currently, and we're growing all the time. And it's really everyone who joins has one goal, which is to save time and to grow their business with AI automation. So if you're looking for like a really linear path in terms of how to grow your business with AI automation, where to start, what to do, this is a really powerful community. And also the cool thing about this is I think a lot of people go for the learning, but they stay for the friends, because it's a community where we all connect, we're all supporting each other, learning together, and it's got new daily tutorials and all the cool stuff. I mean, you know, James, things are changing all the time with AI, and so we're constantly putting new tutorials and new step-by-step guides on exactly how to implement this stuff.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, for me, myself, I was a member of what I thought was all the top-rated AI communities. I do quite a lot of like AI mastermind meetups and stuff like that. And something that I would say is I've never known a group as active than yours, and I'd say as high level. Like the advanced strategies that they're talking about, the minute an update comes along, literally, I wake up and there's like 150 messages where people, different examples of they've just used, let's say, the image 2.0 on ChatGPT, and there's certain things that going, oh, look how much better this is, or there's a new update on Claude that's come along, and people are then showing examples of what they've done. And for me, I love the idea that people are not just sharing why it's good, but what they've done with it, because when I can see the examples, I can then start to look to integrate it in some of my businesses. But for anyone who's not part of an AI group or mastermind, why, Julian, do you believe that the AI Profit Boardroom is the correct choice for them if they're looking for advanced strategies with regards to the LLMs?
Yeah, so I mean, you know me, I'm constantly learning, testing, researching, and I believe this is the best AI community for advanced people, simply because it's got really, really deep tutorials in there, super deep stuff that, like, if you're at a very advanced level, you can learn that sort of stuff. So I'll give you some examples. Like, we've got step-by-step roadmaps on how to implement Hermes agent and basically automate anything that you want to. That could be going off on the web and getting AI agents to scrape data for you. It could be, for example, automating lead generation in your business. And basically, for the really deep technical knowledge, there's lots of advanced tutorials, and they're just constantly coming in every day. New releases come in as well. So it's constantly updated.
Yeah, for sure. And if anyone's has not been inside the AI Profit Boardroom and they might be looking to join an AI community, just to explain this to them, obviously there's lots of different LLMs, there's lots of different AI agents that can be used. There, you just mentioned there Hermes. And obviously, a while back, you might have mentioned quite a lot about OpenClaw. And it seems to be a lot of people have moved from OpenClaw now and moved over to Hermes. The setup on Hermes is a lot better. There's people saying, should I be using Claude? Should I be using ChatGPT? Which one's better for coding? Which one's better for writing content? Which one's better for scraping the internet? You've got other ones like Grok and Perplexity and stuff like that. If someone comes in and they've got an open mind, can they learn all the different types of the LLMs, like the advancements of what they can do with Grok, Perplexity, Claude, ChatGPT? Is every different AI agent being spoken about in there?
Literally everything. Like, it's actually amazing for that. So for example, if you go in there and you type in Grok, you'll find loads of good trainings on Grok. If you go in there and you type in Claude, you'll find all the latest trainings. And also what we do is we date them, so you can see the latest trainings, the newest stuff that's just come out for that tool, and you can easily sort by like chronological order. So you can find the newest, latest updates on pretty much every single LLM and every single tool out there.
Yeah, for sure. And obviously, let's say there is some people in there that are wanting the advanced stuff. Like, what I love about it as well is where people are building now connections and building relationships with other people that are talking, and they're like, wow, this guy's on another level, and they're able to message them and speak about it. So many people now that I've seen inside of AI Profit Boardroom have started doing joint ventures together. So it's not just about the learning part of it and the implications and the case studies of what can be done. People are now starting to say, actually, you seem way more advanced than what I always would be on this. I'll run, let's say, Claude for building the website. You run the Hermes agent for doing the outreach and the scraping, and they're working together. And I find that also brilliant. So what would you say to people with regards to, as a group and a community, like how great is it how everyone's united together?
Yeah, I think it's fantastic. I mean, we've got the star badge on school, which means that as a community, we're in the top 1% in terms of the most active communities in the world. And there's 170,000 communities on there. We're in the top 1% for activity, which is amazing. And, there's the great thing about it is everyone knows each other. A lot of people make good friends. We have people in there for years. James, you've been in there for over a year, and it's a fantastic community where everyone's just helping and learning and growing together. I mean, we actually have 159 pages of testimonials and wins, which is great. And then also you can direct message people. You can post in there looking for partnership opportunities. If you are looking for a joint venture, you can post in there. Loads of people get back to you in terms of, oh, let's do it. Let's jump on together.
Yeah, for sure. So anyone who's looking to potentially level up, to increase the knowledge with regards to artificial intelligence, what can be being done? Are you a business owner or an entrepreneur? Are you just an employee that's looking to save time and be able to scale things faster? I would strongly recommend signing up to the AI Profit Boardroom. It is insane. I definitely believe I'm going to throw it out there. It is the number one AI agent mastermind group that there is out there. The community is brilliant. It's the number one AI agent community. It's unbelievable. Julian, what's the next steps for someone who says, okay, I'm bought in, I want to sign up, I want to learn advanced LLMs, I want to learn what I can be doing to save me time, to increase money, increase profits. How do they sign up to the AI Profit Boardroom?
So you go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com, or you can go to the link in the comments description, or just type in AI Profit Boardroom on ChatGPT or Google, and you'll be able to find it and then sign up. And the cool thing is you can actually lock in a cheap discount if you sign up annually too. So definitely worth checking out.
Sounds good. Well, Julian Goldie, it's been an absolute pleasure having you on, and make certain that you're always looking to level up and go and sign up to the AI Profit Boardroom. Cheers.
Thanks very much.